Hi there, this is the BizLounge. I'm Mark. The FTSE 100 up about 1/3% today at 7,374. A lot of geopolitics getting in the way at the moment, so you might think that investors might not be feeling too much in the mood for risk. Now, do you remember top British DJ Bruno Brookes? He used to be a BBC disc jockey, but nowadays he runs a small media company listed on the alternative investment market. It's called Immedia. Now, this is my stock in focus today. The company provides a range of digital content, mostly audio, to a variety of customers, some of them quite big names actually: HSBC, BMW, IKEA, Superdrug. Now, the company just reported its full year numbers today. As I said, it's quite a small company. Revenue was up to 2.6 million from 2.4 million last time around. It did have a pre-tax loss though of £83,000 versus a profit of £54,500 last year. And that's one reason the shares really tumbled today. Earlier they were down 12.5% at 29 pence. Now, the company did say it's continuing to invest in multifunctional app technology, so getting into the app space. And this is going to be maintained throughout this year as it continues to develop new opportunities, mostly in the sport and education areas. But what the company does is interesting. It's fun and it's in a growth market. So even though I may not want to buy the shares right now, I'm going to keep an eye on it because it's an interesting stock. Go take a look and let me know what you think. Now then, from one celebrity to another, if you like, my big boss focus today is one of Britain's favourite dragons. Yes, of course, I'm talking about Deborah Meaden, successful businesswoman and star of the BBC business reality show Dragon's Den. Now, she's been offering some of her own top tips for investing, and her number one tip is never buy into something you don't understand. Now, I'm a huge fan of this sentiment. Deborah Meaden was speaking in a Daily Mail interview, and she said she got really stung buying something called a structured bond back in the noughties, and she lost around about £500,000. So try to remember that when you're looking at investments and financial products. I mean, pretty much if you don't understand the thing, stay clear away. Now, I understand a little bit about credit default swaps, but I'd never buy one. It's just one of those rare occasions where even I'd rather leave my money in the bank than risk buying a derivative that looks like it could seriously backfire. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Please do share, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter.